Hello and welcome. Are you looking to find how you can get on eBay live chat? In order to do that, you just need to log into your eBay account like so, and once you're in the home page of your eBay account, you can see help and contact at the top section. So let's select it. Now we need to select the topic we need help with. Let's say I want to receive some help regarding return an item for a refund. Let's select it. You need to know that the topics that support eBay's live chat feature are creating a listing, payments, setting up shipping with SEAPASS, selling fees, return requests, order cancellation. So return an item for a refund is also one of the features that has live chat support. Alright, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see contact us. So if we select contact us, first we need to get through a automated assistant. So we place our query in this box and send using this arrow, and if this automated assistant cannot provide us with enough help, we will be connected with an agent for live chat. Now you know how to start a live chat in eBay. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time,